Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up a Gumroad account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To start off, open your preferred web browser and type gumroad.com into the browser's address bar, then press enter. Once the site loads, you'll find yourself on Gumroad's homepage. Here, you'll want to locate the Start Selling button, typically prominently displayed on the homepage. Clicking this button will transport you directly to the sign-up page where you'll be able to set up your account in just a few simple steps. On the sign-up page, you'll notice several options available for creating your account. For the sake of simplicity, we'll focus on signing up with Google today. To proceed, click on the Google icon, which will prompt a new window to open. This is where you'll be asked to choose the Google account you'd like to connect to your Gumroad profile. Once you've chosen the right account, click Continue to move forward. At this point, an essential authentication token will be dispatched to your associated Gmail account. Simply head over to your Gmail inbox, locate this email, and copy the token provided. Afterward, return to the Gumroad page and paste your authentication token into the designated field. This will authenticate your account setup. Once you've pasted the token, click on Login, and you'll find yourself stepping right into your brand new Gumroad dashboard. Congratulations are in order. You've successfully created your Gumroad account, setting the stage for the exciting journey ahead. And that's it. So that is how you can set up a Gumroad account. So that's all for this video. Thanks.